guys, day off natin bukas. So, yan, kaawat na natin kayo trabaho. So, hindi tayo nakagamit ng white car kasi may problema yun. So, ito yung pinahiram sa atin yung black car. Yun, so day off natin guys. Ayan yung mga alaga kong kasaya. Mga donuts. Say hi guys! Alanis Channel. Hi! What about you, Nikki? Hi to Alanis Channel. Hindi pa siya masiyahin kaya. Thank you guys. Thanks. Follow us on YouTube channel. Like and share and comments. Thank you guys. I'll see you later.
One eternity later.